of March 2017. I'm showing you some live intraday trades. मैं कुछ लाइव ट्रेड्स करके आपको बताऊंगा और ये वीडियो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए नहीं है, ये वीडियो एजुकेशन पर्पस के लिए है। फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो ये जो वीडियो मैं बना रहा हूँ ये मैं फुल टाइम ट्रेडर एंड इन्वेस्टर। My name is Yogesh Desai and I trade in mostly Nifty options. So मैं Nifty options के trades आपको बताने वाला हूँ। Right now there is no trade, but once I get to trade, I'll show you. तो अभी जो है वो market is today the market is in downtrend. It's in red. It is 22 points down. It opened gap down today. It's 9:41 AM now. तो 41 around 30 minutes हुए हैं मार्केट चालू होके। I'm looking enter into short side of this trade. So I'm looking for buying this option, put option 9100 PE, which is now in the money options. At the money option actually, which is at the money option 9100 PE. So मैं यहाँ पे बाय करने की कोशिश करूंगा इसके लिए आई एम लुकिंग फॉर एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एंटर द ट्रेड. Once I feel like yes, this is time to enter, and the time to enter into a short side trade is to look for the points where there is a maximum euphoria or there is a maximum panic among the short sellers to cut the position. Like yes, on Friday, today is Monday, so on Friday you find this was the time, this was the spot where you should have entered your short positions. This was the thing, this was the level. We may not be able to spot any predict any tops or bottom, but we can predict the points of maximum euphoria where there will be a reversal in the ongoing trend. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video now. Okay, friends, it's now 12:19 and I did not get any opportunity on short side because the put which I was telling you that I was going to buy is now at 76 rupees. So I managed to buy this call at 9,000 at 70 rupees 90 paisa. It is now at 67 rupees 50 paise because I saw this panic here, and Nifty most of the time forms a bottom. Not Nifty, any stock or any index, it forms a bottom at panic. So I saw this panic here somewhere, so I managed to buy this put at around 70 rupees 90 paisa, and I'm holding it. It's now 3 to 4 rupees down below my purchase price. But as I said earlier that I'm not expert, there is no expert in the market who can easily or who can accurately catch the bottom or top. We only can do is to trade with the trend. Definitely today's trade is against the overall trend which is down. जो trend है वो मेरे against है, मेरे trade के against है, but still I managed to buy this because I see this panic like situation here, and market is now trying to sustain from this panic like situation. This trade is for a small profit, छोटे profit के लिए trade है, and I'm not going to keep it for long time. Once I get some 10 rupees or something, I'll book the profit and I will get away. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm now losing money. So मेरा थोड़ा loss हो रहा है. It's a unrealized loss. It's now 12:33 PM and Nifty is still struggling to change, to reverse this trend, but is surely going to reverse its trend from down to up, and I'll see this in profits, by the way. I should not be in panic because I know what I am doing. So unless and until I know what I am doing, I should not be in panic. I have a stop loss in mind. I keep manual stop loss and not automatic stop loss in the system. So let's see what happens. My duty is to trade according to my analysis, not to look for how much profit I'm going to earn and how much loss I'm doing. The aim is to make maximum profits and minimum losses, as minimum as possible. That should be the aim. Let's see. Now it's 6. Now it's 12:59 or 1 p.m. and you can see Nifty is about to reverse its trend from down to up, and now my call option is now at 69 rupees 70 paisa. It was at 66 67 rupees few minutes back. तो अभी ये ऊपर जा रहा है. Let's see how much it can go up, and at certain point I'm going to book up profits. Okay, let's see. Now 70 rupees 50 paisa. It's rising up. The trend is still not in my favor. The overall trend is down. Around 10 to 15 points up from my purchase of the Nifty call option, and the call option is now at 78 rupees. We bought it at 70 rupees 90 paisa, and so around 7 to 8 rupees profit. As I said earlier, somewhere down the line I knew that this is going to bounce back from these panic levels, and that's why I kept it, though I was losing around 5 to 6 rupees per unit. As I said earlier, that it is almost impossible to catch exact top and exact bottom, you can call it. So now it is at 79 rupees Nifty. So now I'm going to book some profits. So 10 to 11 rupees. Okay, and yeah, it's time I think to book some profits, not some, all profits. So let's see what we can do. Nifty is, let's put some and I don't know whether this is a trend reversal, but this is surely a bounce back. So it is always good to book some profits when the trend is not in your favor. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm trying to book some profits when now it is a profit booking already happening in the same call option. This is some profit booking on higher level. So I'm waiting for the right exit point, and that will be the point of maximum, not maximum, but that will be the point of some euphoric point where you will see this call options will rise faster. So that will be the point where we should book profits. So now it is rising, and I'm slowly going to put some order. So we should sell their greed and buy their fear. This is the basic idea of trading. Sell other people's greed and buy other people's fear. So there is a greed now among all option buyers. Okay, now I'm going to put order at 81 rupees. It's a fear here, and now I'm going to sell. Okay, the quantity has been sold. You can see 81 complete, 79.90 complete. So we have made some money. So we have made some 2,272 rupees in 2 hours of trading. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos for more trading related videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Haribol.